The MXA910 ceiling array's grille and frame can be painted to blend in with any room design. We recommend using a professional painting house for best results. Some basic disassembly is required for painting. First, the frame needs to be taken off of the main assembly so paint doesn't get inside the microphone. Start by removing the 6 screws on each side that hold the frame in place. For now, make sure you don't remove the 4 recessed screws. After the screws have been removed, lift the main assembly out of the frame and gently set it aside, facing up. Take the gray plastic LED light pipe out of the frame, but leave the black plastic guide in place. Then, remove all 4 screws from one side of the frame only, and take the side off. Slide the grille out of the frame. Remove the foam, which cannot be painted. Carefully pull it from the edges so it doesn't rip. Using masking tape, cover the bare metal extrusion that runs along the inside of the frame. This needs to make contact with the main assembly when you put it back together. Mask off the hook and fastener strips to make sure you can reattach the foam after it's painted. Now the frame and grille are ready to paint. Using a professional painting house is recommended to get the best results. After painting, reassemble the microphone in the reverse order of disassembly.